Okay, children, in this video, I will discuss with you page number 20 and 21 of GK. Lesson number 5, India Unlimited. See, Indian cuisine. Cuisine means the way of cooking, the style of cooking of a particular country. Indian cuisine is different from the rest of the world, both in taste and in cooking methods. It reflects a perfect blend of various cultures and regions of the Indian subcontinent. Read the description of the following foods and write the answers. The sweet is made from deep fried flour soaked in thick sugar syrup. It has pretzel like shape and is usually orange in color. What is this actually, butter? It is a jalebi, and we all like it a lot. Then come here, the South Indian curry is prepared mainly with the juices of tamarind or tomato along with few spices. It is called rasam, RASAM. Next one, third one, it is a popular dish from the Udupi cuisine. It is beta dosa, DOSA. Fourth one, it is a style of cooking developed in South Asia by Mughal Empire. It is beta here Mughlai, Mughlai, Mughlai. This oil is an important ingredient of South Indian cooking, and we all know that it is a coconut oil. What is the main ingredient of chapati? It is beta wheat flour. This fast food commonly eaten in Maharashtra resembles like a burger. It is bada pav, BADAPAV. This dish is made of red kidney beans with different spices. It is a delicacy of North India. It is called rajma. What is bhatura? The question is given here. What is bhatura? A type of bread is called bhatura. Clear? It is a whitish, spongy sweet. It is a sweet of the Bengalis like the most, and it is better called rasgulla, RASGULLA. Children, you need to learn these questions very well. Number next, but a page number is given here, 21 page number, and the topic is here forts of India. And we know these forts actually are our cultural heritage. India is a land of forts and other monuments. These architectural wonders give a glimpse of India's rich history and culture. Read the description and name the forts. Take help from the given clues. Here, this red sandstone fort was built in 17th century and represents the pinnacle of Mughal architecture. It is an iconic, iconic symbol of India. It is called Red Fort. Are you clear, better? Next one here, see the picture also. This fort is one of the most visited and beguiling of Jaipur forts. It is situated in a serene backdrop of Aravali Hills. It is called Amber Fort. Are you clear, Peter? Next one here. This powerful fortress of red sandstone is known as the Red Fort. Clear? Of Agra. It is a fine example of fusion architecture featuring Indian, Persian, and Turkish styles. It is called Agra Fort. Okay, then we got a fourth one. This fort is one of the largest forts in the world. Situated in Rajasthan, it was built in 1156 AD by the was given here Bhati Rajput ruler Ravel Jaisal. It is what are called Jaisalmer Fort. Ravel Jaisal Jaisalmer Fort. Clear. The magnificent 12th century rock hewn fortress dominates the landscape from a 600 feet high mesa like flat terrain. It is a 14 kilometers. See the picture here. It is a 14 kilometer away from Aurangabad in Maharashtra. It is called Daulatabad Fort. Daulatabad Fort. Last one, situated just 11 kilometers away from Hyderabad, this fort was built by the given here beta Kaktiya kings. It is known for the mind-blowing acoustic effects it produces. It is better called Golconda Fort. Are you clear better here? Golconda Fort. Children, I have finished lesson number 5 and you have to learn it side by side.